Hi, my name is Mark Morgus, and I am the Continuous Improvement Specialist for the Northeastern Pennsylvania Industrial Resource Center, also known as NEPIRC, located in Hanover Township, PA. As an organization, we embrace and encourage the use of Industry 4.0 technologies and now offer 3D scanning to our clients. 3D scanning is a process of analyzing an object from the real world. You will receive the data to recreate its shape and appearance digitally. The most common applications of 3D scanning in manufacturing fall into three categories. 1. Quality control. 2. Prototyping and 3D printing. 3. Reverse engineering and CAD creation. Let's look at each one. First, quality control. 3D scanning can help manufacturers improve the quality and speed of their inspections by creating detailed 3D models of manufactured parts. Second, prototyping and 3D printing. Scanning enables you to take a physical product, scan it into a high-quality digital format, and work with the digitized model to create prototypes that are then printed by 3D printers. Third is reverse engineering and CAD creation. If your product's drawing files lack a digital blueprint or CAD history, 3D scanning will get you up to date quickly by getting efficient and precise data of the whole part, including its surfaces, details, and unique features. If you have any questions or would like to see a live scanning demonstration performed by me, be sure to attend Manufacturing Day at the Mohegan, Pennsylvania Convention Center in Wilkes-Barre, PA on Friday, October 13th. Tickets are $50 for manufacturers and $100 for non-manufacturers. Visit www.nepirc.com and click on Manufacturing Day in the top right to purchase. If you would like more information about how NEPIRC can help your company in any of these areas, please contact Marla Hager, Director of Client Development at marla@nepirc.com.